Meet Maya Singer, the bold, beautiful, and unapologetically confident plus-size model who's changing the game. With her stunning curves, radiant smile, and fearless presence, Maya is breaking beauty standards one shoot at a time. From high fashion to street style, she proves that style has no size. But Maya is more than just a model. She's a body positivity advocate, encouraging women everywhere to love themselves just as they are. Her message? Confidence is the most powerful accessory. With thousands of followers and a growing influence online, Maya's presence goes beyond the runway. She connects, inspires, and empowers using her platform to lift others up. Maya Singer is redefining what beauty looks like, and the world is finally catching on. This is just the beginning. She's bold, she's beautiful, she's breaking every rule in the fashion world. Say hello to Maya Singer, the plus-size model redefining what it means to be truly iconic. Maya didn't grow up seeing bodies like hers on magazine covers, but instead of shrinking to fit the mold, she shattered it. Today, Maya is one of the most talked about plus-size curvy models in the industry, celebrated for her confidence, authenticity, and style that's all her own. Subscribe for more inspiring stories.